In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ranking polls which let your audience rank items by preference, view live aggregated results, or final rankings. First, click on New Engagement. Next, select the Ranking Poll Engagement option. Once you have configured the settings in this screen to your liking, you can click Next. From here, we can fill in the details of our ranking poll. Then, after setting up your preferred visual settings, you can click Next. Finally, if you're satisfied with everything, save and launch the engagement. Now, our engagement is created and is live. Your audience can vote through this visiting link, and you can show the live results through the presentation page. Your audience can vote either on desktop or on mobile by ordering the options from best to worst. The option at the top will receive the most amount of points based on the number of total options, and so the option at the bottom will receive just 1 point. When the choice is made, your audience can click Vote, and the results will update live on the presentation page.